Paneer Pasanda is a delicious Indian dish made with a creamy, flavorful sauce and soft paneer, Indian cottage cheese, as the main ingredient. Here is a basic recipe for Paneer Pasanda. Take 250 grams paneer, cut into thick slices. 2 cups of heavy cream. 1 cup of yogurt. 2 tablespoons of ghee. 2 onions, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, minced. 2 green chilies, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Salt, to taste. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped. How to cook. 1. Heat ghee in a pan. 1. Add the onions and fry until golden brown. 2. Add the ginger and garlic, fry for a minute. 3. Add the tomatoes and fry until they become mushy. 4. Add the cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and garam masala powder. 4. Fry for 2 minutes. 5. Add the heavy cream and yogurt, stir well. 6. Add the green chilies, salt and paneer slices. 6. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. 7. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve with rice or naan. Note, this recipe can be adjusted to suit individual taste by adjusting the quantity of spices or cream as per preference. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button to see more of it.